Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about frequently searched question online, which is become a Forex millionaire. Now, in terms of this question, a lot of traders want to know if they can make a fortune trading the Forex markets. Can they really become a millionaire? Well, yeah, of course you can become a millionaire Forex trader, but it does depend on how much money that you've got to start with. And also you've got to keep in mind what are realistic gains that you can make from the markets. Now, a lot of traders come in with like $1,000 and think, yeah, they can make that into 100,000 pretty quickly or 1,000,000. That just simply is not realistic. However, if you actually trade the Forex markets, you gain one huge advantage in terms of making money, which most traders do not even consider an advantage of trading. So what I want to do is go through this advantage and go through, basically, even if you won't become a millionaire from Forex trading, how you can make a lot of money by just putting this advantage to work for you. So let's go to a quick storyboard and review all of this in more detail. Right, let's have a look at making good FX profits from the markets, regardless of your account size. Like I said in my intro, you could become a millionaire Forex trader. It's possible, but I'm just going to give some realism to what it takes, and really just want to also review the big advantage of trading the markets, which most traders don't think about, which is compound growth, which I'll discuss in some detail as well. Now, in terms of my notes, they are over a nice hotel in the Maldives, a beautiful view. Now, in terms of my sort of picture here, you will see, if you look up videos on become a Forex trading millionaire, plenty of these sorts of pictures, pictures of luxury, the good life. You normally have a narrator who said he started with $100 or so and quickly became a millionaire, and of course he'll share the secrets of his success with you with a strategy or system which will cost you a nominal amount of money, and a huge amount of people buy these strategies or systems. They don't work. Keep in mind, point number one, if it looks too good to be true, it is. If it was easy to become a Forex trading millionaire on $100, then no one would be working, everyone would be trading. It's a business that anyone can do, anyone can make decent profits at, but you've got to be realistic. Okay, so what is realistic? I think, in terms of profit potential from the markets, all traders are different, but to get a ballpark figure of what you can make, I think it's a good idea to go and look at the really great traders of all time, the ones that are considered true trading legends. So let's take George Soros, Paul Tudor Jones, Ray Dalio, Jim Rogers. How much would they make in a year? If you took it over, let's say, a 3 or 5 year holding period to smooth out the really good years and the years that were not so good, well, you find they probably made 50 to 100% per annum. You can do your own research on this and find out. So 50 to 100% per annum, is that a good amount of money to make from the markets? A lot of traders will be disappointed when I say that figure. However, that is a tremendous increase in equity when you take compounding into account, which I'm going to come to in a moment. Now, when I say aiming for 50 or 100% per annum, that would be realistic. Okay. There are a lot of traders who aim for those figures, and they do make them. Okay, it just depends on their risk. Whether traders with smaller risk make 50%, traders slightly bigger risk will make 100%. But they will all have money management in place that is strong, that ensures they do not fall too far behind. And you do hear of traders, they come in the markets and suddenly they make, say 80% on their account in one trade, or in a month or whatever. That's never going to last. You can look up the statistics of blowouts, and the statistics will show you that if you continue to take too much risk, which you'd have to do to make those sort of gains, your account just get blown up, i.e. you just lose your money. Now, in terms of making 50 to 100% per annum, which I think you could aim for once you've learnt the basics, always keep in mind you can always hit a lucky streak. And by a lucky streak, lots of traders will just hit them, okay? You get a trade and it's just a really good one. But, that is fantastic, but it's a lucky streak. You might get one, you might get a few in your trading career. They're windfall profits, they'll boost your equity further forward, okay? But if you have a lucky streak, don't get complacent and start taking too much risk. Now, I just really want to go into compounding because it is really just such a major advantage of Forex trading. Now, in terms of compounding, in terms of work v reward, it's very important. You can trade Forex in under an hour a day, okay? Doesn't matter what equity that you've got. You could have 1,000, you could have 10,000, you could have 1,000,000. You should just be doing the same work, but obviously the more money you've got, the more you're going to make. Now, in terms of compounding, when you start, okay, just consider this. Let's say you had $1,000 to start with. First year, you made 100%, so you got $2,000. 1,000 is your profit, okay? Now, in the next year, you double it again. You go from 2 to 4,000, don't you? So you've made double the equity in the second year as you have in the first. You've made no more effort. Then let's say in the next year, you go 100% up again, 4,000 to 8,000. You've made 4,000. So effectively, that is 3,000 more than in your first year, isn't it? You can see it's a snowball effect. Money makes money, okay? All traders who are serious keep their eye on compound growth. They know they're not going to get rich quickly overnight, but with compound growth on your side, you can build wealth quickly. Now, when I say quickly, I'm just going to give you an example. I mean, quickly isn't overnight. How long would it take you to compound $10,000 at 100% gains per year to 1.5 million? You'll do it in 10 years. You'll have $1,534,000. That is, in my view, quite a staggering amount of money. 10k to 1.5 million, just 10 years. What you should do, doesn't matter what your deposit is in Forex trading, is just get a compound growth calculator and put in your amount, put it 3 years forward, 5 years forward, whatever you wish, and you'll see how much money that you can make on those figures that I've said are realistic, 50 to 100%. Now, point number 6, always keep in mind, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick business, okay? It's there for serious people who want to make money. They want a simple business that anyone can learn to do, which Forex trading is, but you do have a learning curve involved as well. You will make mistakes and so forth when you start trading. It'll probably take you a good few months to a year to get used to trading real money under pressure. But if you're prepared to go through that learning curve, you've got a simple strategy, and you are realistic and keep compound growth in the back of your mind all the time, then you will end up making a lot of money over the longer term, okay? So, in terms of business, just a fantastic business. Anyone can do it. Like I said, doesn't matter what your deposit is, you can make great profits over the long term. Obviously, the more money you've got, the more chances, or the more chance there is of you getting to become a Forex millionaire. That's, of course, if you've got a strategy with an edge that you understand, that you put together yourself, and you've got total confidence in. So anyone can make great profits from the markets. If you've got a small deposit, hey, you may not become a millionaire, but in relation to the effort that you have to make in Forex trading against the gains you can make on your equity longer term, I can't think of a better business. So that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me as usual. Take care. Have a good day.